So the Go modules was introduced. So what is Go module? The Go module is a new dependency management system tool built in Go that makes dependency version information explicit and easier to manage. So when was Go module introduced? It was introduced in 1.1. Like the preliminary support was released in 1.1 and 1.12. Starting from Go 1.13, module mode is a default for all development. Like the Go module, if you see the Go environments, Go module is always on after the Go 1.13 versions. So there are like important features of Go modules. Firstly, it was the first official dependency management tool introduced in Golang. So it is a built-in management tool that you do not have to install or download. You can directly start using it using the Go tool commands. Then by the introduction of Go modules, we move out of the Go path package. So what is workspace? You must have studied workspace in the prior lectures, right? Like we have this Go path as Go SRC. That's a Go path that we have to set. And prior to introduction of Go modules, all the code for the Golang has to be into the Go source path only. But with the introduction of Go modules, you can move out of Go path and make your Go programs run in any of your directory of your system. So there was one more feature of Go module, as it was one single tool managing different dependencies. So it was able to manage multiple dependencies with different versions. Also, it gave you the Go developers a easier way to publish their own modules so that the community can use them easily. So getting started with Go modules is like, so this is the approach that we are going to have. Like we'll first create a Go module. Then we'll try to call this module from another module, and let's also see how we handle error into this. So these are some important Go commands that you need to remember. So go mod init, this command creates a new module and initialize the go.mod file that describes it. So what is go.mod file? Go.mod file is a file where all our dependencies with the specific versions would be mentioned. Then we have this go build and go test commands, which are, I think, you must be familiar with them. Then we have go list -m, all this brings all the current module dependencies. Then we have a go get command to install all the dependencies that we require. So go get command usually used to install the dependencies. And then we have go mod tidy command, which removes all the unused dependencies in your Go program. So let's get started with the hands-on. Okay, is the font size okay here?
Yes.
Okay, this is a repository that I have cloned. It's an empty repository as of now. Like there is no file other than README. So let's try to make a directory first. Let's try making a directory greetings. Now you can see here the folder is greeting. Let's create a new file. Name as greeting.go. So yeah, we have let's define this package as greeting, and let's define one function as hello. This function accepts one argument with type as string. Now let's return a message from here. Let's return type as string. Let's define message as I'm going to use the string formatter from the FMT package here. let's put a message hi, the name, and save the message as well. I'm going to pass the name here and message. Okay, so I have defined the hello function. In this function, I'm just printing one message as hi, name, and welcome, and I'm going to return this message. Now to create a Go module of this, we gonna use go mod init command. Go mod init. So if we do, okay, let me check my. I think my Go module is off. I'll just make it on. So you can see here, I have I'm seeing all the environment variables that have been set. Okay, so my Go module is default on only.
Sushmita, just append dollar before Go module.
Yeah. Go mod init. Let's name this module as example. Example.com. Let's say slash hello. Okay. So here now I can see that Go creating new go.mod module example.com/hello. So if we see this folder again, now you can see there is a new file that is created, that is go.mod. So let's see the structure of this file first. Here, the first line represents the directive module and the name of the module that we have given. So here, if we do not do not give any value after the init command, then by default it will create a default module name. Then we have a second directive as go. So this means which is the Go version that is being used. So now I'm using the Go 1.18 version. So let's download all the dependencies with the go mod tidy command. Okay, so actually we do not have any third-party dependencies here. So you can see there's just go.mod file with module name and the Go version. If you have any third-party dependencies, the directive would be required, and all the dependencies with the latest version would be present. Okay, let's try to use any external library here.
Hey, what's the use of module name? Like, where can we use it?
Okay, the module name is used whenever you publish any module on GitHub or any like Bitbucket, then any other person or any other project can use your module with the module name. So, for example, if I created this example.com.hello, then if I try to use this module in other module, I have to import it from here, example.com and hello. Only
Then we
by
should
this,
be passing the
it,
GitHub path, right?
sorry.
No, I was saying that we should be using then GitHub slash, I mean, GitHub path.
Yeah, we can use GitHub as well, but right now my module is on local, so I'm just defining it as like this. You can also use GitHub for this. Like you can say like GitHub slash Swiggy private slash let's say hello. It's my module name. And whenever someone else is trying to use your module, then they'll have to import it from the GitHub Swiggy private slash hello.
Got it.
Okay. So so this was the required. I'll just remove it. As of now, it's not required.
Sushmita, if we just want to use a third-party library for sample, we can use the one I have sent in chat. Just to print a text in some color, we can use this particular library.
Okay, first let's go get this library. So here you can see like first the main dependency that I tried to install was this colored library, but I got many other installations as well. So all these installations, which are these are the indirect dependencies of your project, and the color repository that I tried to go get is the direct dependency of your project. So now we can see that go.mod file is updated, and we can see all these libraries are in the required directive. So let's try to use this in our code.
Remove it from print statement. It
Let's
will
just
only print text only.
yes, I'll just put on here. Okay, it doesn't return anything. Okay, so we now have the hello function. In this, we have used one color as a third-party dependencies. Then we have go.mod. Now you can see first we had only go.mod file with this module go version and the required dependencies. Now we have also got the go.sum file. So what is go.sum file? Go.sum file will store all the required dependencies versions, and it will just create a checksum of that particular commits or the versions if they are the tagged versions or the particular commit, and it will store in the go.sum file. So why this is important? Because whenever, let's say I'm new to the project and I try to clone the repository and try to install all the dependencies in my project, So I should get all the dependencies same as my peers, so that we all depend on the same configurations. So this is how you create a, module. So let's try to use this module in a different module. Let's initialize this with go init. Let's name this module as example.com slash. We name this as hello world. Let's name it as test. Let's run go mod ID. Okay, so we have this main function, and let's try to use the other model that we have into this function. So for this, first I have to import the statement. So I'll import it using the module name. So I have this module example.com slash hello. So let's try to use this in our code. I'll call the let's define ideas for this as Greek. Okay, let's first sync the dependencies. We have to do it with command ID. Okay. Let's first add this to the GitHub. Let's try to sync the dependencies now.
Shouldn't we mention the whole GitHub path?
No, actually, it should download it from here. Okay, let's try and change this part to module. Let's try and use again.
Sushmita, I think we are using the wrong package name. It was greeting from what I saw.
No, I named it as hello only. Video. Hello. Let's try to get the dependency. Actually, it should get this dependency. Okay. For time being, let's try to use the local dependency. So how do you use the local dependency? Or is like the replace directive. So what the replace directive says that like let me just check. Okay, I think I have made some mistake.
is the path correct? Like you are only writing GitHub slash that. So shouldn't it be github.com?
Can you try with the local paths?
Okay, so my repository is private, so that's why I have to enable the go private variable. So that we do with this variable. So instead of Swiggy private, I'll change it to origin. Now it should get the Sagar, can you see what's the issue here? I think I'm doing it the right way only.
I think you'll have to like export one more variable. It was something related to allowing terminal to.
Okay, I should get from the Go proxy direct. Just okay, Go terminal prompt disabled.
I have sent one more in the chat if you can use that. I think we need to enable git terminal prompt as well. I have sent it in the meeting chat.
Just a minute, I'll just check.
Also, this hello function is supposed to be present in greeting package, right? You are trying to import hello package here. Is within greeting.
Yeah, but the package name is hello. Okay,
Yes.
I'll just change this to Let's delete the models that we had already created. I think the issue is due to the name. Okay, actually, I think my password has been expired or something. I'll try to sync it using Golang only.
Did we not try it locally, Sushmita?
Actually, I did. I think got this issue earlier, and I was using the local models. That's why. Okay. I think this issue with my Git account as well. I generally do not use this one. Um, Okay, I think I'm not able to cover this portion where we can use this module in this module. I think it's my Git issue. Sorry, actually, I did it, tested it on local, but I think the authentication failing. I think it expired just today, I think. Uh, will it be okay if I post this in the Slack channels, and I'll be present in the doubt and discussions, and then we can discuss how to use this in your own module. Sagar, can we do that?
Yeah, I think we can do that. If a demo cannot be done now, we can take it in demo session as well. Is it if it's possible?
Okay. Okay, guys. So I apologize for this, but yeah, we can use this call another module from your module and also handle the error. I'll post the code for this on the Slack channel, and I'll check the issue with my Git. Just let's summarize the Go module. So the Go modules provides a Go.mod file managed to manage the dependencies, very descriptive and very understand the dependency hierarchy. Since it's embedded in the language, there is no need to install any other tool. So it comes very handy. Then the upgrading and downgrading of dependency is very easy. For example, I'll just
Sushmita, sorry to interrupt. If it's possible, do you want me to do the hands-on and you can just instruct me?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, we
I
can
think
also do that. That way also it can be done, right?
yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let me share my screen.
Sure.
Is it visible?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just instruct me and I'll go on and prepare whatever you ask. So I have created an empty directory. Now what?
First, you have to initialize the Go modules.
Okay.
Go mod init. The GitHub path for that.
Okay. So I'll take my own only. And we are creating a greeting package, or should I name it something else?
No, greeting would be okay.
Okay, cool. So as we can see, we have created a go.mod file here. So it is empty right now, and I'm using Go version 1.17. So it has mentioned it here. Okay.
Okay, let's add a file.
So you want to add a package or add a file?
Add a file into this package first.
Okay, okay, cool. What should be the file name?
Greetings.go.
Okay.
I'll just paste the code so that it won't take much time.
Okay, sure.
I have posted it in the chat. Can you check?
Yeah, got it. So after pasting the code, I had done the go mod tidy. So
Yeah, now we can see the dependency getting. Okay, can we create a different folder as hello? And let's try to use this there.
so should I move greetings.go in another folder?
No, not another folder. First, commit your code to the GitHub. Have you cloned this in a repository?
Sorry.
Have you cloned this in a repository? Like, have you cloned any repository or?
No. I just created a folder on my local system and started working on it.
Okay. First, we have to commit this to the Git.
So is it necessary to like post it on GitHub, or we can like do it locally as well?
Yeah, actually, we can do it locally. Let's add then another package.
Okay, sure. So what should be the package name? So you want me to create a new folder or create a new file?
New folder.
Okay.
Name it as hello.
Okay.
You can initialize Go modules into this as well.
Just a second. Okay. Something went wrong. Yes. CD hello. Okay. I am doing go mod init. github.com. Package name hello, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can see we have got a Go module file in this hello package as well. Yeah. So you want me to add a code here?
Yeah, let's create one file here and try to use the greetings module in that.
Okay. Share. Hello.
Just send the name, your name like Sagar to this hello function.
It is is giving me an error. It is not a main package.
You can package name, rename it to meme, no? Using the meme function there.
Actually, it is nested
So
within the greetings package. That's why it is causing problem, I guess.
okay, then move the hello directory out of greetings. Right?
Okay, yeah, that's suitable, I guess. So I have another package now named as hello. I'll create a new file here. Name.go package name. Function name. And we will import greeting dot could not import provide no required module.
Can you run go mod ID once?
Okay, yes. Nothing. Should I go into the another directory?
Can you go get the hello package, greetings package?
Yeah, sure. Right, shit. Sorry. Yeah, it is not pushed onto something remote. That's why it is not able to get it.
Yeah. Can we push it to the Git? You just have to do Git init into the greetings folder.
Okay. Okay, so what now?
Change the Git state, check the Git status.
So, so how do I point this to a GitHub repo? You should I create a GitHub repo first?
Yeah, create a GitHub.
We don't want to initialize this, right?
No.
Yeah, it is pushed now.
Okay, can we go get again then?
Mm. I think it is downloading. Yes, it's downloaded the package, and in hello gomod file, we can see that greeting package has been imported into our hello.
Yeah. So with the greeting package, you can also see all the other packages that the greeting package is using are also imported.
Am I audible, Sushmita?
Yeah.
Yeah. You were saying something? Yes.
Yeah, with the so we can see here with the greeting package from the Saga repository, Saga's account, all the other dependent packages which were used in the greetings are also installed, are also like
I
installed
have
in
just
this.
one doubt. Can I ask right now?
Yeah,
Is it a package or a module? Like Hello is a different module, different package.
module. So the difference between a module and package is a module can consist of multiple packages. Okay. So right now in my module I have a single package. Right. I have just have a greeting package. So I'm calling it as a package, but we can also call it as a module. Am I clear?
Yeah, okay. But if you have like different packages in the same module and you want to use it in the main.go file, we can import them, right?
Yes, we can import them in the same way that we have import this one.
So we have to push all those packages to GitHub and then go
Yeah,
get.
because we cannot rely on the unpublished changes, right? When we push a package to the GitHub, we publish our changes, right? So that's why we have to push it to the GitHub.
No, I'm asking like suppose there's in the hello file right now, I'll create a separate package called number and create a function, and the number.go file create a function like add, which takes to a number. Now in the main.go file, if I say import the number package as well and number as well, and now if I use number.add and pass to numbers, it work, right? Now, for that I don't have to push to GitHub, right?
That is a different. This is in your same module, right? If you add a
module.
in that case, you won't need to push it to the GitHub. If you're adding some other method in another module, in a different module like greetings that we created, then you have to push it to the GitHub. If you're adding any same method to the same module that you're using, in that case, you don't have to push it to the GitHub.
I had one question. Like, can there be two modules in a single project?
Project, you mean a repository?
Yeah.
Yes, there can be multiple modules in a single repository.
Like for say, if we want to create another module here, so we'll have to create another directory, and then in that we'll have to create a module, or we can nest two modules.
You can nest it under a directory, or if you want it at the same level, you have to create a new directory.
Okay.
So hi, like going back to the previous doubt, like for me, it's not working. Like if I create a new package called number and create a function like add and call it in the main.go file. It's showing me that this package is not in the go path or go source, go path.
Okay, wait. We'll try the doubt you have. We'll try to do that. Let's first execute this code. Okay. Saga, just can we run the hello.go file?
Yeah, I'm trying to see why is it not working. Greetings at hello package. I'll just try to see the definition where it reaches. So it is the same.
Sprint F. You're missing sprint F. Sprint F.
Oh.
On the line 11.
So the function was wrong. Okay. Yeah. So I'll have to make change here and push it. Yes. So printf. So in order to update the dependency, I'll have to do go mod tidy, right?
Yeah. You can just do the go get again. That will also do.
Go get will do that. Okay. So should be able to. Sorry, this is still open. Yeah, it is printing my name and in that specified color which we mentioned in greetings package.
Okay. It is also returning one string argument, right? So can we print that as well?
Yes, it is printing. Hi, percentage S welcome Saga.
We corrected the sprintf, right?
Yeah, we actually some formatting must have went wrong here. Yeah, printf is used, percentage S is used. I don't know why is it. It should have resolved the formatting and send the proper value.
Yeah. Just change it to %v maybe. Can you do that again? I don't see the changes happen.
Yeah. Go get hyphen u. Should I?
Yeah. Just use -u.
Yeah. Hyphen u will update the dependency. So and just isn't greeting. I think there must be something wrong with formatting or it still
Yeah.
update the version.
Okay, that's fine. I think we can correct it later. Can we add a package and try to use the number that one of them had it out?
So you want me to add a package here only?
Add a directory here.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's num directory. Let's add one Go file into this num.go. Let's define one method as add. Let's accept two numbers and return the value. Just return 1 plus 2.
Yes. Okay. So you want me to use that here?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. So
Num.add.
1,3. Return. Print and then return. It is showing the addition of 1 and 3.
See, that's how you can use the package in this.
Like, can I share my screen and show my problem? Like, it's showing me package number is not in Go root.
Okay.
Okay, just a minute. I'll stop sharing my screen. From further on, we can continue with slides. Sushmita, is it okay?
Yeah, we are at the end of the slide anyway.
Okay, cool. So we can use his slides or his code.
Okay, you're not importing the number package clearly, right? We have defined go mod. Go to the go mod file. So example is your module name. So you have to always any imports will start with example slash what is the package name in the number.go file. Example slash number. Correct your import and this should work in the main.go file. Okay, is it clear now?
Oh, I didn't realize my mic was off.
Yeah, is it clear now?
Yeah, it's clear now. Thanks.
Okay. Sagar, there's just one part if we could share again, like just one directive is remaining, I think. Sagar, you there on the call? Okay, I think Sagar, am I audible?
Yeah, Sushmita, I can hear you.
Can you share one just? I just need to show one directive.
Okay, sure. Is it visible?
Yeah. Can we go to the hello go.mod file?
Yes.
Okay, so here, like every time we do not have to push changes to the GitHub to test our changes. So what we can do is, like right now, all these modules are like being downloaded from the master directory, right? So whenever you want to use your local modules as here, we can use it with the replace directive. So Sagar, can you add a replace directive after the go dot? Yeah, even though it's okay. Uh,
So
so,
yes,
so the syntax for the replace directive is like you have to replace, use the replace keyword, use the git path, and then use your local path. So what it will do is it will point to your local local module changes. So right now, if we see, Sagar has changed it to the replace the git path and the local path. So now, if we make Sagar, can we go to the greetings?
yes.
Yeah. Sagar, just can we put a line after it, sorry, after 10th,
Okay, yeah.
after number 10. Let's check if a name is equal to empty. In that case, just return a string as a message as the name is invalid. Name invalid. Just
Okay.
so these are the changes that we have done to the local module, and in our main module we have replaced it with the local module. So let's try to pass a empty string to this function. Let's see what's the output.
Yeah.
So you can see the messages, the name is invalid. So in this way, you can test the changes from the other module on your local. Okay, any other doubt here?
So in replace while using replace directive, you have to first mention the dependency you want to replace and the location where you can find that dependency on your local machine. So yeah. You must have also seen one different thing when Sushmita was sharing her screen, that at that time this particular dependency was in indirect, and that was because it was not getting used. Until then it was in indirect, and as soon as we used that particular package within our code, so it had moved to the require part, and it has been removed from the indirect ones. So indirect dependencies are like represented differently, having a comment indirect at the end. And since this is being used within our code, so it is not an indirect directory. So it has no comment as such. Just wanted to add that. Sushmita, you want to share your screen or?
No, I think we're done.
Okay, so, okay, cool.
So any other doubts? I think then we can conclude the session.
Thank you for your time, guys, and sorry for the inconvenience.